Hey there, I'm Charlotte, the Gulf Coast Granny. Poppy and I have been working on 5 new things in the garden, and today I'm going to show you guys what we've accomplished. The first thing I have to show you is this new garden bed that Poppy built for me last week out of some more of that repurposed vinyl siding. This garden bed gets about 3 to 4 hours of sunlight, so it's going to be a perfect place to plant my shade-loving vegetables and flowers. The second thing is this amazing new Vivo Sun greenhouse. It is 8 feet long by 3 feet wide and 3 feet tall, and it is perfect for my needs. In fact, this is the perfect size to go over my garden beds in the wintertime. So my plan is to buy 2 more so that I can grow stuff all winter long and not have to worry about them freezing to death. Now, some of you may have saw my video on this Birdbath on a stick, and I absolutely love it, so I bought another one. And look how pretty she is. Look, I might have a problem with bird baths on a stick because I just ordered another one that looks like a sunflower, and I'm going to move them over there by that tree because that's where the birds like to hang out. We were also able to plant 4 new rose bushes. This one here is called State of Grace. It is a pale pink with yellow centers. It's a beautiful rose, and I'll insert a picture for each one. This one here is called Coco Loco. This one is called Twilight Zone. And this one back here is called Meredith. There are going to be 2 more roses planted, one on each end of the front row here. And I'm calling this the front because it faces the back of the house. There will be 4 here and 5 along the back that's already there. The 4 new ones came in last week, so we planted them in the ground. I believe last Sunday. And look, they already have new growth. There's my sweet Dinah. Look at her smiling at us. She's part Chihuahua and part Papillon, as you can tell by her ears. So the last thing I want to tell you about is the light that's coming into the garden now. I hired my neighbors to come and cut some trees down because, number 1, they were shading my garden, and number 2, they're an invasive species of popcorn trees. They left these 3. These are going to be coming out later in the month, but they did take 3 of them out over here. They also took 3 of them out back in this corner, and one that was really tall going all the way up here. And then 3 camphor trees from this area back here. In fact, they still need to take that branch out right there. What all this tree trimming did accomplish is basically it robbed me of all of my privacy. And as you can see, I obviously don't have a beautiful view. So what Poppy and I have decided to do is spend a little money and put in a privacy fence, at least along that side and the very back to there, to that tree. If you'll notice, all of this fence line is just in terrible, terrible shape. And also, her fence line back here is broken apart. Me and Poppy had to rig this mess up, but when that tree fell right there during Hurricane Zeta this past fall, it fell on the fence and crushed it. This tree got broken off during another hurricane before I lived here. It tore this up. So that all of the fences look terrible around here. And it's all hurricane damage from past hurricanes. And I guess the folks around here just either couldn't fix it or didn't want to fix it. I don't have control over what other people do with their fences. I'm going to build my own. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you think of all of the changes that are going on in the garden this spring. I'm excited about them. Don't forget to hit that like button, y'all. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you again real soon, all right?